we can't imagine life without chickens.
And in this video, we're going to explain why we think everyone should have laying hens.
Number 1. Chickens require very little land.
Number 2, you can usually start a flock even in the suburbs. Just check with your city ordinance. Typically they don't allow roosters.
Number 3, chickens are very easily transported. You can even pick them up in your car.
Number 4 is the low startup cost. If you buy them as chicks, you can typically find them from $2 to $4. If you start with laying hens, anywhere from $10 to $20 should be expected.
Number 5, chickens consume small amounts, and their consumption to production value is very high.
Number 6, the chicken's diet could easily be supplemented. They eat bugs, grass, even your kitchen scraps.
Number 7, there's no breeding required for output, whereas to get milk from a goat or a cow, you're going to need to breed them each year.
Number 8 is you'll typically get an egg a day during the warmer months of the year per bird.
Number 9, chickens don't require a lot of upkeep. They're a pretty low maintenance animal.
Number 10 is that chickens can be easily housed. There are a number of options depending on your budget and preference.
And as a bonus tip, number 11 is chickens are a great manure source, so they're great for building your soil.
Friends, we're passionate about all things rural living. If you are passionate about living a simpler life too, please subscribe to the channel.